Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have a new video and a new solution about ads. In this video, exactly if you have Redmi, Xiaomi or Poco, it depends your mobile. In this video, as I say, you will say goodbye to annoying ads. What I mean? Okay, for example, I will open a music application like that. As you see, there is ads, okay, in the beginning. And there is ads again. Okay, for example, I will choose another one, college maker. Maybe this application for editing and videos. Okay, there is ads again. Okay, but I have the solution. I will go to setting like that. I will show you first my MIUI version. This is the last one. As you see, my mobile is MMI. This is a global device name Redmi Note 10s. It depends, it's guys, it depends your mobile. For example, old version MIUI, or you have Redmi Note 9 or 8, don't worry. I will go back like that, sitting like that, go down a little on connection and sharing like that, private DNS, this one I will click. Now it's off. Okay, in your mobile also I will click on private DNS provider host name like that. Again, in your mobile is empty, but you will create this dns.adguard.com. As you see in the screen, dns.adguard.com. Then you will click on save like that. Now we will go back to this application music. As you see, there is no more ads. Okay, let's go again to college maker. Wait. As you see, guys, there is no more ads. Okay, guys, so if you like this video, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.